Welcome to Gyaan Guru. Please subscribe and press the bell icon for regular updates. In this video, we will learn days of the week. Let's begin. Monday. M O N D A Y. Monday. Tuesday. T U E S D A Y. Tuesday. Wednesday. W E D N E S D A Y. Wednesday. Thursday. T H U R S D A Y. Thursday. Friday. F R I D A Y. Friday. Saturday. S A T U R D A Y. Saturday. Sunday. S U N D A Y. Sunday. Let's revise. Monday. Tuesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Friday. Saturday. Sunday. M O N D A Y. Monday. T U E S D A Y. Tuesday. W E D N E S D A Y. Wednesday. T H U R S D A Y. Thursday. F R I D A Y. Friday. S A T U R D A Y. Saturday. S U N D A Y. Sunday. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.